In this short video, I would like to recommend the book The Migration Myth: How Uncontrolled, Unrestricted, Unlimited Migration Destroys the West, written by Joseph R. Oxfield. Oxfield has previously written for The Voice of Europe, has done research on demographics in various European countries for the think tank This is Europa, and has founded the Clovis Institute. In the book he shows the real effect on the economy and how an economy could function perfectly well without immigrants. He discusses every argument that is used, from an enrichment in our local restaurants to the effect on crime. The book discusses the effect of population decline on the overall economy, the government and the individual, as well as alternatives for combating such a population decline. It questions whether we need migrants for any form of improvement of the country. It questions whether the migrants are highly skilled, and if so, why they are not needed in their home countries instead. It questions the likeliness of integration and raises a discussion on the possible usefulness of borders. Integration being a success is a myth, and in this book it is clearly shown why it is unlikely to ever become a reality. If you're interested to know more, a link to this book and to the website of this author can be found in the description below. I wish you a nice day.